Okay, now we're going to record how to create a book in Moodle. So what we're going to do, the first thing is turn editing on, of course, then click on add an activity or resource, select book out of there. I'm going to name the book something such as History of Photography. We need a description that's required, such as History of Photography. Then we'll scroll down to the bottom. We'll leave the chapter as numbers and then click Save and Return to Course. And now we have a book named History of Photography in which we need to add some content. So first chapter, I'm just copying and pasting stuff from another document that I have. And here we'll call it, the first photos. And we're going to put in here about the Frenchman Niepce, and he was the first one to create, so we'll just copy and paste the material from his history. Paste it in there. We're going to insert a photograph. Now this will apply to all the photographs, and a lot of times you want to align text. You don't want the photograph just to float above or be below it. So we're going to click on the photo icon, then we're going to navigate to that photograph and select Niepce's first photo-like image. And now what we're going to do, we want to make sure the text is aligned after we insert it. Using the Appearance tab, I'm going to say align left, align text left, and you can see a little preview of it on the right side of your screen there. And now I'm inserting a little space around the images, around it vertically and horizontally. And I also like to put a border in there, and I'm put a 1 pixel border around this one. Then I'm just going to click on Insert. And there it is. You can see the border around it, and the text aligns to the left. And if you have a lot of text, it would wrap all the way around it. So now we're going to click on Save Changes, and we have the first chapter of our book. So now what we can do is go over here to the right to the plus sign, click on it to add chapter 2. And here we're going to talk about Daguerre and his first image, daguerreotype, and it actually has a person in it. The person was getting their shoes shined, so they were still enough for the length of time of exposure for them to show up. Again, we're going to click on Image, find and upload an image, browse, go to that image, upload it. Again, we're going to go to Appearance, we're going to go text to the left, put a 3 pixel border around the image to separate it from the text. And in here, let's put in another border. This time we'll do 2 so we can see the difference. Add an image description for those that don't have images on their web browser, which are few and far between. And we can see everything is aligned to the left. Save changes, and now we have a book. Okay? And it's a navigable book that when we turn editing off and we click on History of Photography, we'll see all our chapter titles. And that's it. That's a book.